If this video helps you any, please like this video so we know that you like the content, and we'll be able to get some more videos like this on. And please subscribe to the channel so you'll be alerted when more videos are uploaded. Also, if you're looking for any specific firearm to be disassembled and reassembled, leave a comment below and we'll see if we can get it uploaded and online. Alright, we got the Arex Rex Alpha. It's a 9mm. Cleared, nothing in the chamber, nothing in the magazine well. Alright, we've got the slide pulled back already. What we're going to start doing is we're going to start turning this lever basically clockwise. And we've got to clear this, it's got this little slot right here. We've got to clear that slot, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start dropping it. You're going to have to push back on the slide. See right there, it's hitting the slot, so it's not allowing it to go forward. So what we're going to have to do is we're going to have to pull back, clear the slot. Now it will go forward and come off. This is tore down good enough for cleaning. We're going to take the rod and spring, we're going to push it forward. Hold on to this one. The ones that are made like this that aren't actually sealed, basically kind of with like a bolt type rod, these springs can fly off, so make sure you hold on to that. And the barrel, we're going to push the barrel forward, slide it back, and that's fully disassembled for cleaning. It's good to go. We're going to put this back in the same way we took it out. We're going to push it forward, slide it back. Now this spring, again, the free end of the spring goes to the front. Where the rod actually sits in goes to the rear, and we're going to sit that down. There's only one slide or one step here, so we're going to sit it on the main step right there. And what we're going to do is we're going to send the spring. This has got a pretty good slot down in the front that is pretty deep, so we're going to sit it, which is nice because that helps the spring not flying out while you're trying to reassemble it. We're just going to push and wiggle till we get it down and squared up on that slot, down on that step. And if you can see, it's just the it's the only step there. That's what we put on. Now we're going to use the grooves. As in all the other firearms, we're going to use the little grooves. They're a little harder to see on this one. But now this rail goes all the way forward. And I'm going to make sure this is pulled all the way back like that, clockwise. So it's out of the way. We're going to start pulling it. Alright, now we've got to pull it back, seat it. Alright, now again, you've got to make sure it clears that part. So you're going to have to lock the slide back, and you're going to make sure it clears. We're going to push it back counterclockwise to its set locked position. We're going to drop it forward. Some good rack, trigger, another good rack, trigger. That is fully reassembled, and it's ready to go. Again, this is the Arex Rex Alpha. Thanks for checking out our video. If you're local to the Anderson, South Carolina area, we teach concealed weapons classes on a monthly basis. Check us out at www.defensetraining.org. If you're not local to us, we also make holsters. defensetraining.org/holsters. We make ambidextrous in the waistband holsters at this point. Check us out, and thanks for watching.